Exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. First question. First question is represent these numbers on the number line. Represent these numbers. Represent these numbers on the number line. On the number line. First question is 7 upon 4. First question is 7 upon 4. 7 upon 4 is represented on the number line. Is initially we will draw number line. We will draw number line, and this number line is 0, 1, 2, 3. But there are four parts in number line. Then the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 part. In this 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 part. And 1, 2, 3, 4 part. 1, 2, 3, 4 part. In this number line, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 part. Which part? 7 part. 7 part upon 4. 7 part upon 4. And second question is minus 5 by 6. Second question is minus 5 by 6 can be represented on the number line as follows. This is the line. This is the line, and starting from 0, minus 1, minus 2. 0, minus 1, minus 2. But the part is 6. Then 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part, and 6 part. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part, and 6 part. And you will start the number line left of the 0, left from the 0. In left from the 0, the value is negative. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part. This is the 5 part but negative direction. Minus 5 upon which total part is 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part, 6 part. And this is question number 2. How many questions? Question number 2. Question number 2 is represent. Question number 2 is represent minus 2 upon 11, minus 5 upon 11, and minus 9 upon 11 on the number line. We will be draw a number line. This number line is draw. This is the 0 point, and this is the 1 point, and this is the minus 1 point. Left side from the 0 is minus, and left and the right side from the 0 is positive. Then we will be distributing 11 part of this number is because denominator is 11. Denominator is 11. The line partition is equal to the number and denominator number. Equal to denominator number. In denominator number is 11, by which we will be partition the line in 11 part. Then 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part, 6 part, 7 part, 8 part, 9 part, 10 part, 11 part. And the left side from the 0 is 1 part, 2 part in negative direction, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part, 6 part, 7 part, 8 part, 9 part, 10 part, and 11 part. But we will be draw the number 2 upon 11, and the number line is minus 2 2. Then the value is minus 1. Then the value is we will be draw the number line is 1 part, 2 part, minus 2 part upon, this is minus, sorry, this is number, this is 2 part is, sorry, this is the size 1.2, exercise 1.2. How to draw the rational number on number line? First question number first is represent this number on the number line. Represent these numbers on the number line. First question is 7 upon 4. First question is 7 upon 4. Initially we will be draw a number line. This is the number line. This line is starting from 0. 1 and 2. But this line is this part is distributed in 4 parts because the denominator part is 4. Then the 1 part, 2 part, 3 part and 4 part. 1, 2, 3, 4 part. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part and 4 part. 1, 2, 3, 4 part. We will be draw the rational number and the number line is 7 upon 4 is 7 part counting. We will be counting a 7 part from the 0. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part, 6 part, 7 part. 7 part here. Then the value is 7 upon which denominator part? Denominator part is 4. 7 upon 4 represented as here. And second question minus 5 by 6. Firstly we will draw a number line. Then this is the number line. And starting from 0 and go to in the direction of negative direction. That means left side from the 0. This is the 0 and this is the minus 1. This is the minus 2. And we will divide the number line of this part in 6 part. In 6 part because denominator is 6. Of these questions. Then the 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part, 6 part. And this partition is also divided in 6 part. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part and 6 part. And we will draw these questions on the number line is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Because in numerator number is minus 5. Then minus 5 upon 6. Okay? Question number 2. Represent minus 2 upon 11, minus 5 upon 11 and minus 9 upon 11 on the number line. Okay? Initially we will draw a number line. This is the number line and this is the 0. And one is positive direction, one is present at the right side of the 0 and minus 1 is present from the left side from the 0. This is the minus 1 and this partition is divided in 11 part because 11 number is presented of the denominator of this number. Then we will be part partition of this line is 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part, 6 part, 7 part, 8 part, 9 part, 10 part and 11 part. Okay? And minus 1 part, minus 2 part, minus 3 part, minus 4 part, minus 5 part, minus 6 part, minus 7 part, minus 8 part, minus 9 part, minus 10 part and minus 11 part. And we will be draw this number is on the number line minus 2 and counting from the 0 of the left direction and left from the 0 because the number is negative. Then the number 1 part, 2 part. Then this is the minus 2 upon partition. Number of partition or denominator present is 11. This is minus 2 upon 11. And the second part minus 5 by 11. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part. Here 5 part. Then minus 5 upon 11. 5 upon 11. And next is minus 9 upon 11. Then 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part, 6 part, 7 part, 8 part, 9 part. Then this number is minus 9 upon 11 present here. Okay? And the question number third. Question number third is write 5 rational number which are smaller than 2. Write 5 rational number. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Which are smaller than 2. Which are smaller than 2. Write 5 rational number which are smaller than 2. 2 can be represented as 2 can be represented solution. 2 can be represented as 14 upon 7 because 7 1 is 7 and 7 2 is 14. The value comes to of this number is 2 because 7 1 is 7 and 7 2 is 14. 2 is present here. Okay. Therefore 5 rational number is smaller than 2 are. Therefore 5 rational number is smaller than 2 are. The smaller number of 14 is 13. 13 upon 7 and the small of 13 is 12. 12 upon 7. The smaller of 12. The smaller of 12 is 11 upon 7. The smaller of 11 is 10. 10 upon 7. And the smaller of 10 is 9 upon 7. This is the 5 rational number. This is the 5 rational number. Rational number which are smaller than 2. Which are smaller than 2. If we are the 13 is divided by 7, the value is smaller than 2. 12 is divided by 7, the value is comes to from 2, less than from 2 and so on. Okay. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rational number which are smaller than 2. Okay. And question number 4. Question number 4. Let's questions. Find 10 rational number between. Find 10 rational number. Find 10 rational number between minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Initially, we will be do the equal of the denominator, equal of both denominator. Then 5 is multiply in both numerator and denominator of 1 by 2 and 5 is multiply by numerator and denominator of 1 by 2 and minus 2 by 5 is multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator. then the 2 is multiplied into 2 2 is 4 minus 4 upon 2 5 is 10 and 5 1 is 5 upon 5 2 is 10 upon 5 2 is 10 upon 5 2 is 10. The rational number in the denominator of both is also equal. The denominator of both is also equal, but there is no 10 rational number is present here. Then we will be multiply 2 of the both of 2 of both. Then the value is 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, minus 8 upon 2 10 is 20 and 2 5 is 10 upon 2 10 is 20. Multiply in both of numerator and denominator by 2. Then the rational number, therefore 10 rational number present here minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 are minus 7. Minus 7 upon 20. The greater value of minus 8 is minus 7. Minus 7 is greater as compared to minus 8. Then the minus 7 upon 20, minus 6 upon 20, minus 5 upon 20, minus 4 upon 20, comma, minus 3 upon 20, comma, minus 2 upon 20, comma, minus 1 upon 20, minus 1 upon 20, comma, 0, comma, 1 upon 20, comma, 1 upon, comma, 2 upon 20. There are 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 to 10 rational numbers. There are 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2, minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. There are many rational number present between this number, okay? But we find the 10 rational number between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2, okay? And second question number 5. Question number 5. In next we will also know about another rule to find the rational number between two numbers, okay? 5 number question is 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. Find the rational numbers between. Find the rational numbers between. First question is first question and second is second question is minus 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 3, and the third question is 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. Then the first questions is initially 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. Initially we will multiply the 5 to 2 and 3, then the 5 2 is 10 upon 5 3 is 15 and 3 4 is 12 and 3 5 is 15. But there is no 5 rational number present between 10 and 12, so we will be multiply of the rational number which calculate the rational number. But there are 5 rational number calculate, so we will multiply the 5 of both. Then the value is 5 10 50. 5 10 50 upon 5 15 5 75 and 5 12 60 upon 75, and the rational number between of these numbers is 51 upon 75, comma, 52 upon 75, comma, 53 upon 75, comma, 54 upon 75, comma, 55 upon 75. 3 to 5. There is a 5 rational number between 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5 in another way. in another way, in another way, in another way, in another way, another way, in another way. 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. We will multiply 5 of the value. This 5 to the 10 upon 5 3 the 15 and 3 4 the 12 upon 3 5 the 15. 3 5 the 15. We will be multiplying 3. We will be multiply 3 of both. Then the 3 10 the 30 upon 15 3 the 45 and 3 12 the 3 12 the 36 and 3 15 the 45. Then the rational number is 31 upon 45, 32 upon 45, 33 upon 45, 34 upon 45, 35 upon 45. There are 5 rational number between 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. Both rational number are correct because the rational number cannot be are equal of both. But this is the this answer is correct and this answer is also correct. Okay. And next question is next question. Next question is minus 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 3 minus 5 upon 3. Initially can be represented as 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9, minus 9 upon 3 2 ja 6 and 2 5 ja 10 upon 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6. But there is a 5 rational number between these are minus 9 is less than minus 8 upon 6 is less than minus 7 upon 6, 7 upon 6 is less than minus 6 upon 6, minus 5 upon 6, 1 2 3 4, minus 4 upon 6, but 6 1 ja 6. Then minus 8 upon 6, comma minus 7 upon 6, comma minus 1, comma minus 5 upon 6, comma minus 4 upon 6. There are 5 rational number between 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 3, minus 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 3. And question number third. Question number third is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 can be represented as 2 1 ja 2 and 2 4 ja 8 and 4 1 ja 4 upon 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8. But there is no 5 rational number present between 2 upon 8 and 4 upon 8 because 2 3 4 2 rational number present. So we will be multiply of both. We will be multiply of both by 4. Then the 4 2 ja 8 upon 4 8 ja 32 and 4 4 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16 upon 4 8 ja 32. And there is many rational number present between 8 upon 32 and 16 upon 32. So we will be also write the rational number 9 upon 32, 10 upon 32, 11 upon 32, 12 upon 32 and 13 upon 32. 13 upon 32. There are 5 rational number present between 1 upon 4 upon and 1 upon 2. Okay. Questions number 6. Questions number 6. Questions number 6. Write the rational number greater than minus 2. Write the rational number. Write the rational number greater than minus 2r. Greater than minus 2r. The value is minus 2 upon 1. The value is minus 2 upon 1. Minus 2 upon 1. We will be multiplied by 7 of both. 7 upon 7. Then the value is 7 to the 14. Minus 14 upon 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 1 is 7. Then the 5 rational number greater than 2 is minus 13, because minus 13 is greater than minus 14. In negative numbers, less value of number in negative is greater the greater value in negative. Then minus 13 is greater than minus 14. So minus 13 upon 7, comma minus 12 is greater than minus 13 upon 7, and minus 11 upon 7, comma minus 10 upon 7, comma minus 9 upon 7. This is the 5 rational number is greater than minus 2, because this is minus. If the number is decreasing in negative direction, but the value of negative number, less negative number is great as compared to large negative number. Okay, this is the 5 rational number is greater than minus 2. Okay, question number 7. Find the rational number between find the rational number between 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 4 is also represented as 4 3 is 12 upon 4 5 is 20, and 5 5 is 5 3 is 15, and 5 4 is 20. 5 4 is 20. But there is no more rational number present between 12 and 20 and 15 upon 20. So we will be multiply the both rational number of 4 by 4. Then 4 12 is 48, and 4 20 is 80, and 4 15 is 60 upon 4 20 is 80, and there are many rational number present between 48 by 80 and 60 upon 80. Then the rational number between 48 upon 80 is 49 upon 80, 50 upon 80, 51 upon 80, 52 upon 80, 53 upon 80, 54 upon 80, 55 upon 80, 56 upon 80, 57 upon 80, 58 upon 80, 58 upon 80. This is the rational number between 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. Okay, this chapter is end, and we will be next chapter start in next video. Okay, thank you. Okay.